Hey everyone, thanks for watching today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you this matte brown orangey eye look, which is perfect for a lot of occasions. You can even wear this for bridal makeup. So before I go in with any eyeshadow, I first always prime my eyelids. This will remove all the redness, all the unevenness, and it will also make sure that your eyeshadow is going to stay flawless all day. Then for today's video, I'm going to go in with the Gilded Desert palette by Morphe brushes. It's been a really long time ever since I did a video using Morphe, so I thought let me just do that for today. Now I did apply a eyeshadow guard off camera, as you can see, and after that I applied this shade all over the eyelid. Then I went in with the matte white color and started blending this underneath the highest point of my eyebrow. I really love a matte white brow highlight, especially when you blend eyeshadows in your crease. The white underneath the brow kind of fades into the eyeshadows and it makes the whole blending just look so much better. Then after that, I'm also going to apply the white color in the inner corner of the eye to kind of create some brightness. And this will also help with creating that ombre effect on the eyelid, where I will go from light to dark. So after this, I went in with this color, which is kind of like a neutral orangey light color. And I'm gonna go in with a E25 brush from Sigma Beauty and go back and forth with my brush and just blend this kind of on the center part of the eyelid. And then whatever is left on my brush, I'm also gonna blend it more towards my crease area. So I'm also slightly blending it on top of the white eyeshadow because I really wanted the white to kind of fade into this shade. But you can always go back in with more of the white color to make the blending look better. Then for the next shade, I'm going in with this color, and I'm gonna focus with this color more at the outer part of the eyelid. So you can already see that there's this transition from light to medium to dark, and I really like those kind of eye looks. And you can actually do this with any color that you have. Just make sure that you use 3 different colors that go from light to dark, and you can create this beautiful ombre effect on your eyelid. So I'm just gonna blend this and also a little bit towards the center along the lash line, which will kind of create the illusion of having like a smoky winged liner look, but just with eyeshadow. And I just continue to blend, and if something doesn't look good, you can always go back in with the previous color and blend that around the edges to make everything look more smooth. So I did that a little bit with that medium color, and then I removed the eyeshadow guard, and this is how it's currently looking. So now for the next step, I'm going in with some of the white eyeshadow again and also blend it a little bit lower towards the lower lash line. So I'm gonna use these same colors as I used for the eyelid and now use them for the lower lash line as well. Of course, if you recreate this makeup look, you can also do like a pop of blue or purple underneath the lower lash line, which will look beautiful as well. But I'm keeping it a little bit more on the neutral side today. So I went back in with that dark brown color that I used for the outer part of the eyelid and now using that for underneath the lower lash line. And then I took the middle part, which we use as the second shade in the center of the eyelid, and use that to blend out the lower lash line, and then went in a little bit more with the white color and blend everything together. Then for my waterline, I'm gonna go in with the soft brown pencil from Makeup by Mario and apply this all the way in my waterline. This is such a beautiful pencil. It's kind of like a brown with a warm undertone, so it will really make your eyes pop if you have like blue or green eyes, and I think it will also look beautiful on brown eyes as well. So now I'm gonna curl my lashes, and I'm gonna go in with my favorite mascara, which is the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara. And if you're searching for a nice, kind of more of a low budget alternative, I really like the Sky High Mascara from Maybelline. That one is really nice as well. So I'm gonna use this, and I spilled a little bit on my eyelid, as you might have noticed. So I'm using just like a cotton, I don't know how you call it in English, cotton tip, I don't know, but I use that once the mascara is dry, and I blended a little bit on eyeshadow on top of it. I mean, I couldn't get it away 100%, but it's good. I covered it with some lashes so it's less noticeable. But yeah, this is the finished result. I really hope you all like how it turned out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye!
Even if you try